Welcome back to another quick video. Found out today that my car will actually tell me when my batteries need to be replaced. I'm not sure if it's based on a time period of average life expectancy or if it somehow knows what the life is in the keys. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, excuse me. It doesn't really matter. I did pick it up. The batteries are a CR2032. This was $13 for 2 batteries. In Canadian, you start by removing your manual override key, which I've never used, thankfully. Use it to kind of pop the back off, like so. It requires almost no energy. Okay, so this is, wow, this is simpler than I thought. Battery is actually right in the backhand side. The one I seen, oh, perfect. The one I seen had a rubber sleeve and a whole bunch of different things in it, but this one does not. Instead of a 2016 Camaro, it is a CR2032, just like the other one was. I'll take a quick break there for scissors so that I could get it open. My fingers are about as clumsy right now, feeling as they possibly could be. The blank side here goes up. Side with writing here goes down. So we will put that back into place like so. Back into the key fob. We'll pop the key fob back together. Making sure that everything is good. It appears as though it wants to go top first. That's it. 2016 Camaro key fob. Lasted for about 2.5 years, just shy of 2.5 years actually. Probably would have gotten another month easy, but I decided might as well change it while the getting's good. And then my other one I will probably keep around in case I need it. I don't use both keys. I keep the other one as a spare in case I ever lost my key, so my car is not useless. And I also find that the keys get so beaten up that I use one key, beat it up. One key still looks great. Does that make any sense? Absolutely not, but that's my logic, so that's what I do. Hope this was helpful. I know a lot of the GM keys are the exact same. Maybe a slight variation inside from what I've seen in other videos, but that's here nor there. Pop them apart, change the batteries. That's it. That's all. Till next time, drive safe, take care. Behave as always.